Good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is the Millennium Wealth and Lifestyle channel. Here we talk about investing, dividend investing, financial planning, and money management. Today we're going to talk about small business insurance and why you should have it. And most importantly, as a YouTuber and investor, as a YouTube content creator, I use YouTube as a business. And so we're going to talk about the small business insurance that I have, and basically for individuals who just have a small business in general, whether it's mowing lawns, beauty, doing someone's hair, or as a content creator as myself, I'm going to talk about just different type of insurance that you should consider having to just to protect yourself. We're going to talk about uh, why do you need an insurance, the different types of insurance for your particular business, and most importantly, I'm going to lean more so on just the content creator side and like YouTubers, Instagram, TikTokers, why you need those types of insurance to protect yourself, and most importantly, I'm going to cover the insurance that I use for my small business, and hopefully you guys can look into it and you get it yourself. So if any of these topics intrigue you, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Watch the content from beginning all the way to the end because I'm delivering you jam-packed information to that you need as a small business owner, either as a sole proprietor or holding an LLC to protect your business and also protect your earnings. Because when you start making money, now it's all about mitigation, risk management, and the best way to manage your risk is by having insurance. If you have a car, you're gonna have car insurance. If you have a small business or a business, you need small business insurance. So here we go. Why do influencers and YouTubers need business insurance? Why do you need business insurance for your small business? It's because right here, your influence over consumers means companies could hold you accountable for lost profits, or consumers can hold you accountable for either you promoting either a product or a service or teaching them how to do something, and if it doesn't pan out, if they become angry, then most likely they can come back and try to sue you, especially here in America, even for the smallest things. Business insurance protects influencers and YouTubers from defamation lawsuits, accidental injuries, replacements of stolen equipment, etc. And so for me, I teach individuals how to invest into the stock market, how to deal with personal, uh, how to deal with personal finances, wealth management, and a lot of times in my videos, and even in the description of my videos, I always let everybody know that listen, this is due to my videos is only for educational purposes only. These are my opinions and my ideas. If you need a professional, I always refer to like some type of wealth management like JP Morgan Chase or Bank of America, wealth financial planners, for example, because I'm just setting the stage that the liability is not on me, but it also what I also do have is business insurance as well. I have a small business insurance just in case to help me down the line. I'm not making any money right now, but down the line, I hope when I do hope to make money, that I have business insurance to fall upon just in case something happens. So, what are the different type of business insurance that you may need or may need to apply for? So you have just basic general liability insurance, which covers guest vloggers who slips and suffer an injury on in your studio. So basically, the general liability insurance is to cover with if basically due to either somebody in your studio, in your vicinity, or either if you're in your house or your studio, if they get hurt, it's to cover them. Then you have media liability insurance that covers legal defense costs related to mistakes and accusations of defamation or copyright infringement. So if you're dealing with a lot of times, big major companies are trying to come after you and trying to sue you due to just defamation or like that, for example, that Cardi B and that whole Tasha K situation, media liability insurance will help you in regards having legal defense for that. There's defamation and copyright infringements, and then you have business owners policies, et cetera, et cetera. So right here in this article, it says, well, what content creators and influencers need to know about insurance coverage. So now I talked about just general liability insurance, insurance that you need just overall, just as a small business owner. Now I'm going to lean more towards my niche as a content creator. So as a YouTube content creator, I promote personal finances. I promote wealth management and how to create dividend portfolios, how to make money in the stock market, and then also by me being part of the YouTube family, everybody else that's on YouTube does everything else in terms of doing reactionary videos. A lot of times, if an individual may get upset or whatnot, they may do copyright infringements on your channel. A lot of times that they may do a lawsuit to come after you. Uh, Even when you're teaching certain people how like to fix cars or whatnot, what if the person get hurt in the process and try to come after you with a lawsuit? So it's best to have just business insurance just to protect yourself, protect your name, and protect your business. Check this out. It says content creators and influencers have certainly carved out a unique and interesting career path for themselves. Right here, it states that, in fact, the opportunities for social media celebrities and talent content producers have multiplied exponentially in recent years. So it says right here that the influencer marketing industry was valued at a staggering 16.4 billion in 2022, and it doubled from 9.7 billion from the industry in 2020. It says with all this opportunity and income, influencers and content creators must also take time to manage their financial affairs. Basically, what is that saying is that in 2020, the market was worth a 9.7 billion. In 2022 alone, it doubled to around 16.4 billion, meaning that translation that it's juicy for scammers and for individuals who want to take advantage of people by suing them for quick money and quick bucks. So when you are a big YouTuber and you have thousands of subscribers and you're making thousands of dollars per month, individuals who see that they want to make a quick buck, and then the best way to make a quick buck is that they're going to try to sue you and try to come after your funds and your hard work. How do you protect yourself? You protect yourself with small business insurance, and rather it's general liability or E&O, which I'll talk about E&O, which is professional liability insurance. And we already talked about general liability insurance, but for content creators, the most important insurance to have is professional liability insurance. What does professional liability insurance covers? It's also the name is also known as errors and omissions coverage. Uh, this type of insurance covers legal liabilities against lawsuits arising from accusations of defamation, plagiarisms, invasion of privacy, unauthorized use of titles and characters, libel, and slander. So basically, it covers a huge umbrella. For example, you doing content and you're showing people how to do this, how to do that, and if they come back and say, "Oh, this you said that this is going to work," and blah blah blah. Even though in my videos I stated that my videos are due to educational purposes only. I'm not a legally professional financial planner. I'm just only going off of with how I've made money in the market. If a person wanted to try to sue and everything, I have a errors and omissions policy or a professional liabilities insurance, and with the errors and omissions policies, it will help cover in terms of me reaching out to them and cover my business and essentially cover myself. So you have me, Kadero Hudson, as the entity. You have my business, my LLC, covering me, and then you have my professional liability insurance or my errors and omissions insurance to be able to cover my business. And so you see, like an umbrella, it covers. And so typically, the cost of this professional liability or this errors and omission policy is really only between $41 to $81. I was able to get mine for about $45. Now, I'm not making money. I just became monetized on YouTube, but I decided to get it to save me the trouble because I have a car and I have a car and auto insurance. So since I have a business with my LLC, why and I had to create a business account, a business checking account, and get my like a business credit card for my business. Why not get business insurance to protect myself, to get myself in the habit of just protecting my business because I've worked so hard to become monetized and I've worked so hard to create this content, be on the screen and report and just get comfortable. I work so hard, so I would hate to want to lose my business. So next, what we're going to talk about is the top small business insurance for 2023 for you guys. And so I'm going to talk about here are the top business insurance for 2023, and then I'm going after this I'm going to talk about the business insurance that I use. And so right here, I'm not going to go through all of them, but the top five is Allianz, and it says the reason why you should choose Allianz is because it's a large global enterprise. Small business can also take advantage of its insurance industry acronym, which is cool. I know I use Allianz in terms of for my work. We use Allianz for workers' compensation. Allstate uh, has a 5.0 for Forbes, and it says you probably should know that Allstate is known for its auto and home insurance, but the company also sells business insurance with a stellar complaint track record. And so you have Allianz, you have Allstate, you have Clear Blue, and it says the reason why you should choose Clear Blue is because it operates in all states and the Washington D.C. It specializes in providing insurance programs by partnering with managing general agencies and reassurance. And the reason why you should pick Clear Blue is because it has available coverage types include all essential, such as general liability, inland marine, employment practice insurance, etc. Then you have farmers and equity. And so I would say out of this, the top three is Allianz. So make sure you write that down. Allianz, Allstate, and Clear Blue Insurance. So right here, if you are the type of person where if just like ourselves, who you are content creators, or you have created a nice small business for yourself, and you're looking for the best small business insurance that's great, maybe general liability or just professional liability insurance for errors and omission, insurance for just to protect yourself. That's going to protect your business, but also affordable. I would say it's top three. It's Alliance, Allstate, and Clear Blue Insurance. Now, the type of insurance that I use now, I had to be extra to protect my business because I talk about since I talk about finance, financial planning, financial management, money management. I had to go with a money man, not money management, a company that's about making monies. I'm all about Berkshire Hathaway. I invest in Berkshire Hathaway stock, and so I just took it a step further. Like if I invest into the Berkshire Hathaway stock, why not invest into the Berkshire Hathaway company version for the insurance, which is called biBerk, which is biBerk. It's a Berkshire Hathaway company, and they deal with small business insurance. So biBerk, biBerk. I love biBerk. Even before I looked at Allstate and Clear Blue, when I was looking into it, because I'm into the investor realm, and when I was doing a Google search, I ran into biBerk, and I was like, okay, biBerk small business insurance. What's this about? And it says you can save up to 20% on your small business insurance. So you already business insurance is not that expensive, and then you also they doing a deal in terms of just you're running a deal even on just a premium that they will give you, right? And then so just like with car insurance, I pay on a 6 month basis, and it would have been around like $42, but with the 20%, uh, I would say deal right here, I only really pay like $37, which is not bad. And so the reason why I recommend biBerk uh, insurance for small business insurance is because right here, if you click here, it's not it is thinking. Okay, there it is. So, so just like for so then you could. as for anything, you can pick many different things. So like as for me as a content creator, I uh, I choose whatever's the one that's like as closest. So I put social media consultant, and then right here I'm gonna walk you through it. And so once you do it, so I want small business insurance with biBerk by Berkshire Hathaway, a company. And no, I don't have employees. I'm just the owner. And so just for you may be different, but I chose that. And then you go next, and then right here, I I run my business out of my house, but since I'm a content creator, I pretty much run my business anywhere I go, whether it's I'm out of the country, with Colombia when I was in Cartagena, or when I'm just here in the house or using my cell phone. But in this example, I'm going to put I run the business out of my house. Do next. And then it says, do you have clients to visit your home as part of your business? For me, no, because I do more content creation on just finance, financial planning. So no, but if you were a particular person that does someone hair, and then guess what, you do someone hair, and what if you met somebody hair up and then try to see you? Then it'd be best to have maybe some general liability insurance. And if you're running not out of a shop, but probably out of your house or out of your let's say basement or whatnot, then you would choose yes. For me, I'm going to choose no. And then right here, lastly, my business doesn't have a vehicle, but I do use tools and equipment. And then right here, since I'm part of the Houston, Texas market. I live in Texas. Woo woo. Big yeah, Texas. Yeah. And so you put your zip code. I put my zip code since I'm part of the Houston, Texas, the Texas market. And then right here, uh, in the previous examples, I went over, if you need business owners policy or so you click that, and then basically, lastly, you're just gonna go through uh like right here, I have a LLC. I'm pretty sure you have the LLC, limited liability company, and then you just walk it through the name of the company, name of your business, and then you do let's go, and then lastly, it will give you their quote. So biBerk, the Berkshire Hathaway company for small business, will give you just a quote for your small business, and then it probably is going to be about $45 to $50, but then depending on your business, depending on if you have employees or not. So if you're just a content creator and you're just starting out and it's just yourself, it's going to be a lot cheaper, about $40 to $45. And then they also doing uh, a deal where they knocking off about 20 or 30%, which is not bad. So all, overall, the top three small business insurance for 2023, if you don't want biBerk, is Allianz, Allstate, Clear Blue Insurance. For a fact, I know you guys probably have heard Allianz, and I know you most definitely have heard Allstate if you have car insurance or if you have a mortgage or house insurance for your particular mortgage through Allstate, be my guest. But for me, for my professional liability E&O business insurance, I'm rocking with biBerk, and hopefully, you trust a lot of my videos and everything that I've talked to along the way, and hopefully you guys, um, rock with me and believe what I use, if because I wouldn't steer you wrong. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video of why you should have business insurance. What are the different type of business insurance you may need as a small business owner, and most importantly, why do you need business insurance as a content creator? Because a lot of times people don't think you need business insurance as a content creator, and most importantly, the different types of insurance that you can pick from, and most importantly, your boy always got to stand out side of the crowd, and gotta go with biBerk, biBerk, the Berkshire Hathaway company for small business insurance. So I hope you guys enjoy you guys' night, And I'm about to ride with biBerk. biBerk. All right, guys. Peace.